morning, guys. It's a Tuesday. I'm with my love rookie. Galing kami sa hospital, but we decided to, nandito kami sa Mizunami pala. Tuesday, not Tuesday, today is Thursday pala. Ang ako, yasumi from work kasi punta ako ng hospital, but since mahirap dito, parang walang English, we need somebody na makapagsalita talaga ng English. So, punta na lang kami ng hospital na marunong talaga mag-English, pero medyo malayo yun, but may time pa naman. It's still 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so kasi usually lagi kaming pumupunta ng hospital na pero grabe, di talaga kayo magkaintindihan, so it always ends up na question mark sa side namin. Tapos ayun, yeah, yun nga. So hopefully na see you later. Babalik muna kami sa bahay kasi may pupunin pa si Ricky. So yeah, it's so hard really if you cannot speak Nihongo or Japanese, tapos pupunta ka ng hospital or whatnot, or yung mga kailangan talagang something na you are very maka-understand ka. So yeah, inside the clinic now, guys. So, we're finally done with the clinic. I am finally done pala. That was so masakit ng aking head. It's time to eat now. It's already 1 o'clock na kami natapos. So, kakain na kami. And so exciting. Kasi, kakain kami, pupunta kami ng, saan?
Let out.
Saan?
Let out. Outlet.
So, ito pala yung
Kakain
aking
kami sa Adidas.
Oh, yeah, kakain ka ng Adidas, di ba?
Sa outlet.
May Adidas doon sa Adidas. Ito yung aking nagpaano ko. Yung I got my blood drawn. Yeah, I got my blood drawn and some testing. And then babalik ako bukas or sa Saturday. Today is Thursday. Sabi ni doctor, I will be going back there sa Thursday or sa Friday tsaka Saturday. Kasi nga Thursday ngayon. So nga.
Kumain na lang natin sila.
Yeah. Because I'm a little worried, you know. So I had
Me too.
yeah. So yan, pupunta na kami ng outlet. Kakain na kami, guys. Yay! We have our takoyaki. Nandito na pala kami sa food court and we are going there because we are gonna buy some other foodie. So hungry. Now it's time to eat. Nandito kami sa outlet. Konti lang naman yung mga tao, guys, kasi it's Thursday. It is the weekday. Rookie is there. Philippine food. Food is here. Takoyaki. This is like chicken, crispy chicken and shrimp. Kumusta naman ang aking kati-kati nito? Si Rookie talaga, eto yung binili. Kala ko yung beef yung bibili niya, pero eto, well, good luck to my kati-kati. Itadakimasu. Guys, look who's back. It's Mama Mingming. Ha? Ano yan? Smoothie? Mama Mingming is back. Tagal-tagal nang hindi napunta dito si Mama Mingming kasi binantayan niya yung kanyang baby Mingming. Eat na, foodie oh. Eat na, Mama Mingming. Nawala kasi yung anak ni Mama Mingming. Yan oh, Mama Mingming, eat na. Wala si Melvin. Hello, so we're home. Yun nga, nakita niyo na si Mama Mingming. So I'm just gonna eat my muffin. Yung super big ko na muffin galing from Costco. Ang laki, guys. I-compare ko sa aking pagmumukha, ganyan sa kalaki. Oh. Diba? Tapos ano, 6 pieces to. 6 pieces na muffin. Ewan ko kasi hindi kakain. Kaon ka ni? Hindi kakain si Rookie daw. So, paano ko to mauubos, no? Naghati kami ni Lota. Meron din siyang 6. Kasi mura lang sa Costco. Ano lang. Nasa mga 700 something lang yung ganito na muffin na 12 dozen. Diba? Good luck to me. Oh, I'm gonna show you new smoothie na aming nanap sa ano Okowa. Masarap siya. This one. Ito yung green smoothie. If you are here sa Japan, try nyo i-try. Try nyo i-try. Uy, ang ingay naman ng fish. Uy. Better try this one, guys. Yung ano, ito na green smoothie. Meron din ng Kagome na brand, pero medyo mahal yun. This one is 398 yen lang. Tapos yung Kagome is 498. Pero masarap siya. Yeah. Highly recommend. Try nyo. Kung maghanap kayo ng ano, smoothie. Hello friends! Welcome to another vlog. So, it's Saturday morning again, and today I have another hair client, and kasama ko si La sa work. Yeah, so mga 9:30 I guess pupunta siya dito, yung first client ko, and yeah, I need to blow dry this hair kasi hindi ko pa na blow dry yung aking hair. So hopefully yung vlog na ito, guys, ma-continue ko na kasi yung last na vlogs ko is yung putol-putol kasi I got so busy. Grabe yung busy ko that time. So, kasi mahaba yung mga hairs nila, and we did a lot. Ayun. So, hopefully, this time, magiging, ano, ano ba tawag niyan? We will be having a better content this time. So, update. On my face, this is currently how my face is gonna have still, like, you know, some ano yan? Pamamalat. But yeah, still pretty red, as you can see. My neck too, so it's such a struggle. It's been 2 weeks, so ayun, it's still pretty early. Kakain muna ako. I have still a muffin, so big muffin. I'll show you the muffin. May 4 pa. 3.5 pala kasi kinain ni Rocky. Sabi ko, kumain ka naman kasi hindi ko ito mauubos. Malaki. Tapos half lang yung kinain. You know. I'm gonna quickly blow dry my hair now. Pero it's already, it's almost 9. Huh? Oh. Just gonna quickly show to you my earring today. So this is my accessory for today. This one is from Seria, 100 yen store. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, Seria. And naalala ko lang yung ano, yung bata pa ako, yung woodcraft, kasi yung sa place namin, may malapit na paggawaan ng mga woodcrafts. Tapos noong I think grade 2 or grade 3 ako, nanguha kami nung ano, yung bilog, ginagawa naming ano, marbles, ginagamit namin ng marbles. So it just reminds me of that ano, childhood days of mine, yung ito woodcraft na ano na earring. So I'm just gonna quickly drink some coffee kasi nandiyan na si Melby, nagmeow-meow na. Yeah, kasi wala pa namang time. Pero andyan na si Melby, nanghihingi na ng foodie. Oh my God. My coffee is UCC. So, you may be asking guys, bakit black? Kasi ito is less acidic yung black. May blue, tsaka blue, green, and red. Yeah. Pero ito yung gusto ko kasi less acidic. Diba? May ganyan-ganyan pala na coffee. This is, I forgot what is my creamer. Yeah, I forgot. Parang ano yata to? Melvino, Melvino! Ay, nag-wait-wait lang siya sa chair ha. Nag-wait-wait. Ganyan na po wait. Nag-wait lang siya sa chair. So, kain muna tayo quickly guys. So, ayun. Just gonna slice it para madali siyang kainin kasi it's so big.